This simple daily method could earn you income without ever being on camera. You don't need a following. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to be some tech wizard to get started. Every day, I follow a simple process. All you need to do is create short, faceless videos using free tools, post them on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and each one points people toward a product or training that you're affiliated with. No filming yourself, no fancy editing, just a consistent daily method. What makes this work is having a system behind you that handles the hard parts, the selling, and the tech setup. All you really focus on is showing up and posting. You don't need credentials or a big audience to start earning online. You just need a daily method you can stick to and a system that does the heavy lifting so you can stay consistent. Check it out. We've got 100,000 faceless reels you can download today. The link is in the description. Check it out. If you want to see the daily method and the system behind it, go to that link in the description. Get started today. See you on the inside.